I always busy in the household chores to take care everyone, but I don't focus on myself. So I don't
Hmm.
want to waste my life to all nonsense thing. I want to focus on myself. I don't care who is around me because I am room for improvement. So no matter what, I will improve myself. That's it.
Okay, so we can start now. Good morning. Hello, how are
Good
you?
morning, ma'am. I'm pretty well. Thank you for asking. What about you, ma'am?
I'm also doing great. Thank you so much for asking. And as you are very first time on my YouTube channel, would you please
Yes,
introduce?
ma'am. My name is Poonam. I am from Delhi and I have been living in Delhi for 3 years. I have completed postgraduated and now I am working on my communication skills as well. That's all about me.
So you completed your post graduation in which subject?
I'm
M.Com. Commerce.
yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so
Yes,
that's
ma'am.
great. So have you passed it? Completed?
So, ma'am, I'm pursuing.
Okay, you are pursuing from Delhi University or University?
Ma'am, basically, I am from UP, so I am pursuing UP.
Okay, you are pursuing from
Yes,
UP. Okay. So can you
yes.
mention the name of the university from where you are pursuing your master's?
University. I am pursuing from CCS University in Meerut.
Okay, that's great. So,
Yes, ma'am.
could you tell me something about your hobbies? What else you want to love to do in your free time?
Yes, ma'am. My hobbies, I like to play badminton and I like to art. Nowadays, I am getting into the new habit of reading books.
That's great. That's wonderful. So, okay, Poonam, let me introduce myself as well so that because there
Yes,
may be
ma'am.
some new viewers who are watching it. So, hello, friends. Welcome back to my
Okay.
channel. And today's episode is very special because we are going to talk about something that so many of you ask me about, like how to learn and improve spoken English. But before we dive in, I would love to introduce myself for the viewers who are watching me for the very first time. So my name is Rashmi Singh and I come from the beautiful state of Uttar Pradesh. By profession, I am a teacher and I hold a master's degree. I'm also a proud mother of two
Okay.
kids. So along with that, I run this YouTube channel with a simple motto to support and help people, guide people who are struggling with learning and speaking English. In this process, I'm
Okay.
also striving to become an advanced speaker of this language, as well as I have discovered that learning English, learning anything is most beautiful when it is shared. And like you have mentioned, your passion or your hobbies, I also love reading books, listening to music, and connecting with people from different backgrounds and cultures. So I
Yeah.
really feel truly blessed every day because this is a great opportunity to connecting with people like
Yes,
you,
ma'am.
knowing the struggles and dreams. So, Poonam,
Okay.
thank you so much for joining me. And now I would like to ask
Okay.
you,
Ma'am, I should say thank you so much. You gave me wonderful opportunity. Actually, I have been waiting for so long for talking with
okay,
people. You are the
okay,
first
okay.
when you gave me privilege to talk with you.
Yeah, and then many more yet to come. No problem. There is everything for the first time for everybody. But you have started this journey and now you will go a long way, I would say.
Thank
So
you so much.
tell me something about why did you decide to start learning English and you want to connect with people? Why you are looking for this thing?
Okay. Actually, I want to pursue my career in this field and I want to make my own identity, who I am. That's why. I always busy in the household chores to take care everyone, but I don't focus on myself. So I
Hmm.
don't want to waste my life to all nonsense thing. I want to focus on myself.
That's great, and it's really great to listen these energetic and inspiring words from a girl like you, who is very young and very who is having very tender age. So it's a great thing to listen these things about from you.
Yes,
So I would say it's an excellent point. And many learners feel shy in the beginning, but decision to start the most powerful step, I would say. So,
yes,
what
ma'am.
methods and practices you are using learning English?
Ma'am, I am studying practice, self-talk. I always speaking as well as
Mm,
much as I always speaking while doing household chores. When I speak, I don't care who is around me because I
mm.
am room for improvement. So no matter what, I will improve myself. That's it.
Okay,
Yes.
that's great. That's amazing and very inspiring, I would say. So, what else you do? Like, have you classified your time or scheduled your timing like learning, reading, watching, listening? like this thing, or you are just simply whatever comes in your mind, you just follow that, or any specific technique you are using?
Okay. Earlier, when I started to learning the language, at that time, I put my all effort to speaking, reading, writing. When I started to learn the language, at that time, I was not aware to listening. At that
Hmm.
time, I was not aware to reading, writing, to follow all holistic approach.
Hmm.
So now, when I come across a video of Rajni Verma, then I got to know from there. Just reading
Hmm.
also mandatory, speaking also mandatory, listening
Hmm.
also mandatory. Since in childhood we always think in our native language, but
Hmm.
for beginner to think in English, it is very difficult. And I immerse myself to think in English.
That's very
Yes,
important to think in English, because when it comes to speaking,
yes,
the people who are there, the English is not their first language, they tend to translate
yes.
the language.
Tend to, yes, ma'am.
Mm.
So I force myself to think in English. When I got a time, I sit alone. I try to think what I do since morning, what I did, what I'm gonna do, what I'm talking to other person. These things which help me to build my confidence as well.
That's great. That's amazing, Poonam. So, as you have mentioned, nowadays you are following a new hobby, which is reading the books. So, which kind of
Yes,
books are you looking for and you're reading nowadays?
yes. I have listened from all YouTube's reading books which help us to make center structure in appropriate manner. So last month I bought an online book from Alchemist.
Book, okay, Alchemist.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
So I have been reading these books. I have sometime I read, sometime I don't. So I have started 3 and 4 pages every day.
How many pages?
Is every
Three or
day.
four
I have
pages.
myself.
So, would you like to share something which you have read from that book? Because it's a really wonderful book. I haven't read it till
Yes,
today, but I just wanted to
yes.
know about this book.
Actually, I did. I didn't complete that book, but this book teach us many things, like how to inculcate ourselves in new habit. Okay, we know all these things. We need to implement on ourselves.
Okay, that means this book is about how to build the habits.
Yes, habit. Yes.
Okay,
Yes, we know all these things, but we don't implement on ourselves.
so how to implement it so that it can become a habit?
Yes,
There is one more
yes,
book which I have read as well. It's like Atomic Habits. That is also a great book.
yes.
It's available on
Okay,
Kuku FM as well. If you don't have much time to read
okay,
that book,
okay,
you can listen it on Kuku FM. So it is free available
okay,
there. Yeah, that's also a great book because it is
okay.
also sharing the almost same similar manner how you can build any habit within 21 days.
Any habit? Yes,
If
ma'am.
you follow a particular routine for a time period, then it would be easy to make it habit. There are habits, sometimes it is bad habit, so bad habits are
Yes,
also very difficult to leave. Just like
yes,
smoking is a bad habit, but that
ma'am.
is a habit.
Yes.
And once you fall in any habit, it will not easy to leave it. So
Not easy.
it's
Yes, ma'am.
better to develop a good habit. And if you develop
Yes,
it,
ma'am.
you have followed just like for 21 days anything, like you just don't want to do it, but you are doing it, like you're forcing yourself to do that
Yes,
for only
ma'am.
20 21 days, or maybe
Yes.
in a layman's
Mhm.
language you can say like 30 days.
When to inculcate sometimes my mind doesn't allow me, but I have to tell my mind, no, it is
Mind,
very
yeah.
crucial to live
Mm,
our life in beautiful way. Yes,
yes,
because
yes.
everything game in on mind.
Yeah.
Mind is everything. If you will make your mind, I have to do this, so no matter what people will judge you or not, people will stop you or not. Nobody can't
Mm.
stop you if you have your own positive, strong reason.
You are right. I would like, I really able to resonate with that, because mind,
Yes,
everything is a mind game. And
yes,
procrastination, which is as well, because everything we just want to procrastinate. We don't want to start
yes,
anything.
yes.
No, let's
Do
do it
next day.
tomorrow.
Yes,
Just
yes,
let's do
yes,
it
ma'am.
after this thing. First, do this thing. First, I'm just
Yes,
relaxing. But it is a
yeah,
procrastination, and our mind
yeah,
is just playing this game, not to start something new.
yeah,
So you have to tell your
yeah,
mind, no,
yeah,
I am
mhm,
procrastinating. You have to be a mindful and aware of
yeah.
your habit. So
Yeah,
that's what I would say.
actually, I want to add one thing. I want
Mm,
to add one thing, ma'am. When we procrastinate the things, we are not aware what we are losing in our day, what we
Mm.
are losing in our life.
Mm.
Procrastinations every day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, and you never know how much opportunity you
Mm.
lost.
So it is very important to have a vision and purpose in life. If you have your
Yes, ma'am.
clear vision of your what you want in your life, if that
Yeah.
clear thought is in your mind, it will
Yes, yes,
never
ma'am.
allow you to procrastinate. It will allow you to
Yes,
put atomic habits and where you
atomic
can
habit.
follow,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, where you can follow a particular routine, and that way, what to say, you can flourish more, you can grow more, you can
Yes,
get
ma'am.
abundance your life, you can get abundance. So I'd like to ask you one more thing. Like you said, reading is I also find it very useful for me, because whatever I am today, it's because of my reading habit. I am also a passionate reader, and when it comes to
Okay.
it is anything I can read, any kind of novel, any kind of spiritual, motivational, self-help books, everything I love to read, even the newspaper, even if it is 1 year back newspaper, if it comes in front of me, I just started reading it. Whatever was there at that time, if it looks me catchy. If a person who just want to, as we have mentioned, purpose is clear, your purpose is clear, your vision is clear, and you know you are on the process of improving English, this is also one kind of purpose, because maybe you want to become
Yes.
something, but English will help you to English will help you to obtain that glory in your life. So if
Hmm.
you want to look for that, and you are on that path of English improvement, then reading will help you. So if reading is a hobby,
Yes.
and if you're reading some English books, and you are just reading it loudly for at least for 5 minutes, then your mouth muscles get exercised, because some
Yeah.
there are some words
Yeah.
which we never use. Like if few people are not using procrastination word frequently, then
Yes.
it will be
Yes.
very difficult to say procrastination. So the
Mhm.
practice from mouth exercise is also very important when it comes to speaking. So, whenever somebody is reading and they are looking for speaking skills to improve their speaking skills, then it is very important to read something loudly at least for 5 minutes, so that
Yes.
they can establish a mind and mouth connection. I
In
have
mind.
mentioned it earlier
Yes, ma'am.
videos as well, but I really love this technique. So I just want
Okay.
I mentioned it in every second video,
Yeah.
why it is important to have a very strong mind and mouth connection when it comes to speaking. And it is not only for the English language, it could be a case with
Yes,
any
ma'am.
language. If you have a great
Any
knowledge
language.
and you know how to
Yes,
express
ma'am.
it, and then it is very
Mhm.
important what is in your mind, you know to express. But to build that
Yes,
expression
ma'am.
ability, to become a better speaker,
Yes, ma'am.
it is important to read a lot.
Yes.
So if your hobby is
Read a
reading,
lot.
yeah, if your hobby is reading, listening, and
Mhm.
along with that, because reading, listening, and speaking, they all go hand in hand. One should always go for practice as well. So I would like to
Yes,
ask
ma'am.
you, what are the methods which you are implementing for your speaking practice?
I am following shadowing methods. Like when I opened the mobile, I started to speaking like that people who are speaking English with mobile, and I am practicing like reading. If I don't have
No,
anything
I
to,
didn't get it. I didn't get it. How you connect in mobile? Like WhatsApp call? You connect with somebody or
no,
any?
ma'am, with
Okay.
videos, conversational videos. Yes,
Okay.
I do studying practice with conversational videos and I do self-talk. Self-talk is very essential to room for improvement. Yes, so if you don't have anything to motivate yourself, talk to yourself why you are not practicing, what is mandatory for you. If you will not do for you, so who will do for you? If you will not improvement to yourself, so nobody will give you priority, nobody will, you will lose a lot of things because of lack of practice, lack of confidence. There are
Yeah,
the many
that's
things.
right.
Yes.
So it is
Yes,
quite
and writing skills
motivating.
also I am editing.
Okay.
Writing skills. If I don't have anything to write, so I write down my schedule, what
Oh,
I am doing
wow.
since morning, what time I work out, what I do. Whenever I don't have any topic to write, I elaborate my day, what I did, where I
Mm,
spent my day, where I lost my day, okay, and
mm.
where I waste my time to all these nonsense things which are not mandatory for me.
So
Yeah. So
you
these
love
things,
to read your
yes,
daily routine. Okay.
Yes, I inculcate myself to
Okay.
reading, writing, listening. These are the holistic approach to become the fluent speaker.
You know, one thing I would also like to suggest you, there are many people who come on my YouTube channel. They have talked about an app which is My CV app. It's like you will get,
Okay,
when you will join that, you will get a co-learner, like partner with whom you can talk. And they are on your own level.
okay.
And they are also looking for the same thing to speaking to somebody to improve their English. Because real time talking is very important. You know, real life talkings
Yes,
are very
actually, ma'am,
important.
I want to say something. I want to say something. Actually, ma'am, I have been practicing for 1 year, but I don't know. I did not get the opportunity to talk with people. You know, you have a lot of knowledge, but until or unless when you are not give your knowledge to others,
Mm,
whatever you have, so you will not get success. You will not get look forward in your life. So
mm.
this is the major problem with me. I have been waiting for so long to meet with people, to talk to with people. So now I can say that you are angel for me. You gave me this wonderful opportunity to
Oh,
talk with you.
means a lot to me. And
Really.
now,
Now today you made my day. Really. I am very appreciative to your work, to your job. You are doing great work.
so thank you so much, Poonam. And I really wish success for you. And I can see in your eyes, it's shining there. You are getting
Okay.
it very soon, and you are going to be very fluent speaker and confident speaker. And you can
Okay.
practice whatever you are doing. You just continue it, and you just consistent with it. And I can see you are,
Okay. Okay.
even today you are quite fluent, and you are quite confident. Even your vocabulary and sentence structure is also great, but you need little practice, so continue it. And one
Okay.
more thing I would
Thank you,
like to say
ma'am.
you,
Thank you.
I would like to say you thank you so much for connecting me, because we are just running out of
Okay.
time.
Thank
That's a
you so
great,
much. I feel
maybe
I am fortunate.
maybe
Today I
another
feel I
time
am
we will.
fortunate.
That's great.
Okay. Sure,
And
sure,
that's, thank you so much.
sure.
Maybe another time we can connect. We have
Okay.
more time.
Okay.
So thank you.
Thank you so
Okay.
much for giving me this wonderful thing. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye
Bye. Have a
bye.
great day. Have a